Wine, what's happening, YouTube? This your boy Duley. Ooh, Duley's Customs. Back at it with a new video for y'all today. Man, it's a whole new day, man. And it's cold as a motherfucker in Houston. But as y'all can see, I just got off of work from Peter Piper. And it's early. It's like, I got to work a little late this morning, no lie. I don't never be late, but today I was a little late. So it's like a little bit after 11 a.m. and I'm off. I could have been off at like 10, maybe 9:30, 9:45. But I got to work a little late this morning, so that really affected my performance because I could have had a head start on what I had to do today. But what's him Flight Pilot Click? What's him Waters? What's him Wodettes? I hope everyone is having a blessed, splendid day, man. Because I know I am. I know I still got cold and stuff in my eyes, even though I'm leaving work. I mean, but hey, the early bird gets the worm. And you got to get it how you live. You feel me? So I know I got a lighter in here somewhere. Y'all done seen me smoke before. This ain't nothing new. Y'all just gonna hear a little wind because I got the window cracked. But man, today, man, I want to talk a little bit about my JK. And what I want to talk about, upgrades. For sure, for sure. I want to do some upgrades. You know, I've been saving my little money up because I ain't balling like the other YouTubers yet. You know what I'm saying? I'm still growing myself. But when I'm growing myself, I'm going to grow my channel. And I'm going to take y'all with me. But I want to get some upgrades, man. I don't know what I want to do yet. Like, I'm sorry for the shakiness. You know, I don't know what I want to do yet as far as planning everything and doing everything. I'm trying to learn the angles of using my holder. But I want to get a new grill. I want to switch the tint up. I want it the same, like a little bit darker. But then I want to add like a little red stripe around, so it's like red fade to black. You feel me? I think that'll be dope. That'll be a extra little thing, man, to do. And I want to upgrade my unit because I got a Kenwood up here, a 7-inch Kenwood monitor. I want to upgrade my head unit, and then I want to start customizing the inside, like red seatbelt straps, painting little things like the little vent covers red, on the door red. But what y'all think I should do, man? Because at the end of the day, I want to do something extravagant to make my Wrangler, which makes it Duley's Customs. I know I'm gonna take out the things and I'm gonna paint, and I'm gonna have to go to the auto parts place and give them the paint code of the truck because I want the red everywhere to match the red of the truck. Just about dead on. It could be a shade lighter, or shade darker, or hue lighter, or hue darker. But as long as it's just, when you look at it, you won't pretty much tell that it's a different red. And because I'm still excited about it, man. And I got so much more stuff. Like, for all you Jeepers out there, what upgrade should I do to my truck? Because I really want to like upgrade it. Like, I know I need some Jesus bars. You feel me? I need the Jesus bars. I need new visors because it's messed up. So I'm gonna have to do new visors and stuff like that. Little knickknacks. Like, what other customization parts you think would be a good asset? Because I know I gotta clean up here, and of course I got new stuff coming for that. And I just got so much I really want to do to it. But I want to get y'all input. Because regardless, I'm going to do what I do because I know what my truck look like. But I would love to see what others' input are, and it may help me choose what I really want to do even more. You know, I think that would help me out a lot. And also, it will be me contributing back to my subscribers. And I just want y'all to hop in that comment section and give me some of y'all input on which thing I should do to my Wrangler. Because it's going to get flipped up. You feel me? It's going to get flipped up. So I want it mild touch, and I want to do everything. I want to be able to do what I want to do to it and make it exquisite. So when people see it, they know it's Duley's truck. People already know it's my truck already, because I've seen other red Wranglers and theirs don't look like mine. I see some close, some very similar, but not quite like mine, because I got certain little things, and I got to represent for the Mopar gang. You feel me? Even though it's dead Chevy all day, but Mopar now. So I love this Wrangler. But I'm about to get ready to pull up to the bank here in a second, man, and I'm gonna holler back at y'all and talk a little bit more about it. So I'll see y'all in a bit. All right, y'all, I'm back. I had to stop by the bank, and as y'all can see, we got little Duley in the bank back there. I had to pick my son up from school, and don't think he's not in the seatbelt, because he is. I just got it going around his waistline. But back at talking about more, back at talking more about my truck. I'm sorry about that, y'all. But Flight Pilot clicked. Now, what I want to talk about now, also upgrading, is my suspension. What is a good suspension package I can buy, or if I do it individually, what is a good brand to go for? Like Rancho, I hear a lot of people saying the Rancho 8Ks are the shit. I know Bilstein or Blistein, I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm sorry. Don't hold me accountable for it. I didn't read the name, but I know it starts with a B. I know it has Stein in it. But I heard they're good. I want to go with Fox as well, but I mean, because I am going to be doing some off-roading and mudding and all kinds of other little stuff that goes with that. You know what I'm saying? So y'all hop in the comment section and talk to me a little bit more about the suspension, because I am going to want to toughen my suspension up, because right now I got to get ready to replace my front shocks because they're clacking away, the bushings are gone, and I got to get that done here like within the next couple of days. So I got to get that done. But on top of that, I'm going to be upgrading the rotors, the brakes, the calipers, because I want to go with bigger rims. I'm going to still keep 35 tires. I just want bigger rims. Like, I want to go from the 17s to some 22s, because I want the same rim I got. I want the fuel, same color, maybe a little bit deeper on the lip, a few more inches on the lip, but I want to be 22s. I'm sorry, excuse me, y'all. I want to be on 22, so I do want to upgrade that. And also, like, the side fenders, the little fender things, I want to change those. I want to upgrade to, I don't know if I want to do painting to be more like a Sahara, or I want to keep it black to keep it more of a sport. I don't know yet, but I'm just trying to go about it. Now, I have been talking to my partner, Supreme, and he already got some mad ideas that I can do with the Jeep, and he also do custom work as well, and he already got a few things that he said that he want me to do to the Jeep, and I think it would be dope. I think that would be really, really, really dope. And boy, that's contagious. Now you got me yawning. I want to give y'all a sneak peek, but I can't, man. I can't. But I'm going to let y'all wait for when it's done, because that's going to be added. And then I also want to talk a little bit about the dependability of this truck. Now, I had it 9 months. What, 2 fatal flaws, a battery, and the heater core. Wow, that ain't nothing. I'm thinking, I'm hearing a whining noise, like I said before, so I gotta replace that alternator, because it sounds like the turbine in the alternator is going bad. So I gotta get ready to replace that, because it's cold, and you need that. You don't want nothing to go wrong in the wintertime, but that's the worst time for anything to go bad. So what's a good alternator? Because I want to go with a high output alternator, because I want to do the big 3 upgrade, because when I upgrade my system and add the rock lights, and I want to add light bars. What good light bars to go? Because I want to put one on the hood and I want one going across the top. You know what I'm saying? So what are some good brands for a light bar? Y'all hop in that comment section and tell me about that. And that's what I want to do. Bro, this train, oh my God. People's train. That's why I'm sitting here so long, man. Look at this damn train. Ugh. It's killing me, man. It's killing me. But as far as dependability goes with this truck, it's been very reliable, very strong, very, very strong. I haven't had no issues. I haven't had no doubt. I took it to Denton, Texas. I took it to Alexandria, Louisiana. And I think this weekend I'm going to my hometown to New Orleans. So, yeah. I done took my truck on several road trips. And, man, Clifford just been holding strong. Like, it's not a doubt in my mind. I don't think he's not going to make it. And I love that. I love that aspect, the dependability of it, man. And if anyone ever thinking about going with, get you a Jeep, I recommend it. Don't hold back. Go for it. Go for all your dream cars, because I'm going to have more cars coming to the channel as well. And I'm really... Well, I'm going to have an old school coming, and I'm going to have a more up-to-date whip, a performance car. So, when they hit the channel, y'all going to know. Trust me, y'all going to know. And I know if y'all can see, I got the lawman right behind me on my ass, which I hate. But, yeah, man. But, you know, also I want to talk a little bit about my truck, man, like upgrades and performance upgrades, suspension upgrades, and interior upgrades, and all kinds of stuff, man. So that's what my mind is aiming for, and that's what I want to do. And I'm not gonna bore y'all out too much. I just want to talk to my flight pilot clique, my family, my squad, for a little bit. You heard that? Yeah, that's done back shot need to be replaced too. And I hope y'all enjoy my video. If you're new here just to watch, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, select all, so you won't miss a drip of this flight. You feel me? Going out and coming in. And I appreciate y'all. I truly, truly appreciate y'all, man. I love y'all and I thank y'all. And I'm gonna end this video with the motto: take the good, the bad, the bitter with the sweet, the ups with the downs, haul ass on all feet, mash on concrete, every day remain the same. Be humble, prosper, gain. Embrace them struggles to enjoy them future endeavors so you can live a good life. You know what I'm saying? Be positive, spread positivity all the time, and watch how doors will just open for you. God gonna open doors, but you gotta keep God first, family second, and the rest. And let that shit fall in place like dominoes. And y'all already know what's happening. I'll see y'all in the next vid, you feel me? And I'm out, Duley. Huh?